Okay, I wanted to show you guys a couple of the things that we noticed that are really cool. Once you take the little pins off to get the body off, the light kit actually attaches to the body, and then there's a module that you can plug more lights in. So it does tail lights and headlights and front turn signals. Also, one pretty cool thing I noticed is that the mirrors are replaceable. They have a little keeper pin, just like the body does. You can pop that off and remove the mirrors and replace them. With this out of the way, you'll notice that you've got plenty of suspension here. The frame looks very similar to a Bronco frame, a little wider in the middle to accommodate all the extra goodies in an RC car, but it's got coils, it's got a bumper that resembles an aftermarket Bronco bumper. The rear is just a real narrow one. I guess it hides behind the body. And then you've got adjustable towers for raising or lowering the body. We'll know more once we get the full electronics package, when we get the thing fully assembled, but Tamiya did a really great job on it. Like I said, it's got differentials, just like like a Ford 9 and a Dana 44. It resembles a transfer case here. It's four-wheel drive, so it has front drive shaft, and looks like, maybe not, yeah, it kind of looks like a Cardone joint even. Radius arms, they did a really great job. Awesome, great job, guys.